At first glance, it doesn't look like a warship. But beneath its flat deck and civilian-style hull, the Shahid Roudaki may represent one of the most unconventional naval threats in the Middle East. So what exactly is this ship? A missile carrier? A drone mothership? Or a floating launch platform designed to rewrite naval warfare rules? Today, we unmask Iran's largest missile-capable warship and break down what it can really do and why navies are paying attention.
اصابت 5 فروند موشک کروز دریایی قمر بنی هاشم با برد 180 کیلومتر به هدف. این اولین بار بود که از شناور اقیانوس پیمای سردار شهید رودکی.
The Shahid Roudaki is not a traditional destroyer or frigate. It is a converted container ship, repurposed by Iran's Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps Navy into a mobile weapons platform. This concept matters. Instead of building expensive blue water warships, Iran modified a large commercial hull to carry missiles, drones, fast attack craft, command and control systems. In short, the Shahid Roudaki is a floating forward operating base. The true danger of the Shahid Roudaki lies in what it carries, not how it looks. Based on open-source imagery and IRGC disclosures, the ship can deploy anti-ship cruise missiles, surface-to-surface missiles, long-range precision-guided weapons. These missiles are containerized, meaning they can be concealed, rapidly deployed, relocated across the deck. This makes targeting and identification extremely difficult. Instead of fixed launch cells, the Rudaki operates like a mobile missile warehouse at sea. One of the most underestimated roles of the Shahid Roudaki is its drone operations. The large deck allows it to launch surveillance drones, operate strike-capable UAVs, extend Iran's ISR reach far beyond its coastline. Drones provide targeting data, real-time intelligence, early warning. This transforms the ship into a sensor node, not just a shooter. While exact specifications remain classified, the Shahid Roudaki reportedly carries maritime surveillance radars, communication relay systems, command and control equipment. This allows it to coordinate swarm attacks, relay targeting data to coastal missile batteries, act as a command ship for IRGC naval operations. Think of it as a floating headquarters that connects missiles, drones, fast boats, shore-based systems. This networked approach is central to Iran's naval doctrine. The Shahid Roudaki is not designed to dual aircraft carriers. Instead, it fits perfectly into Iran's asymmetric naval strategy, which focuses on saturation attacks, swarm tactics, area denial, psychological pressure. From this ship, Iran can deploy drones to locate targets, launch missiles from unexpected angles, support fast attack craft operations. This challenges traditional naval doctrines that rely on clear identification of threats, predictable launch platforms, fixed engagement zones. Perhaps the most strategic aspect of the Shahid Roudaki is reach. Unlike coastal missile batteries, this ship allows Iran to operate far from home waters, maintain presence in strategic sea lanes, support operations in the Indian Ocean or beyond. This extends Iran's maritime influence without needing a blue water navy. It's a cost-effective way to project power and to complicate adversary planning. Let's be realistic. Strengths: large payload capacity, concealment and deception, flexibility in weapon deployment, strong integration with drones and missiles. Vulnerabilities: limited self-defense systems, large radar signature once identified, dependence on escorts and air cover. The Shahid Roudaki is powerful, but not invincible. The Shahid Roudaki is not about naval prestige, it is about changing the rules. By turning civilian hulls into missile platforms, Iran demonstrates a doctrine built on adaptation, asymmetry, strategic ambiguity. This ship forces adversaries to rethink threat identification, maritime security, rules of engagement, And in modern warfare, forcing your enemy to rethink is already a form of victory. Is the Shahid Roudaki a game-changing naval weapon or a vulnerable target waiting to be neutralized? Let me know your thoughts in the comments.